Welcome to fixitforgetit.com, where projects and ideas come together.
Hi, this is John from fixitforgetit.com. This is my Casio SGW100B-3V. These watches come with this cloth band. I'm not crazy about these. As you flex your wrist, or if you're wrenching on something or working on something, it can sort of dig into you a bit. I really like the Twist-A-Flex bands, that sort of a look and feel. And I wanted to show you how you can put one on this watch. This particular band, I really like it because it has sort of a braided parachute cord look. And you can get these tube and screw link kits, and they come with these little screwdrivers, and you want to make sure you get the ones that has the little screwdrivers, because the screws on the side of this are so small, you're probably not going to have anything laying around the house that will fit those. But you can get these little link kits, put them on, and then you just get these tiny little tube spacers. This one is 1/8 of an inch. This one's 1/4 of an inch. And then that will keep this watch from sliding back and forth. Those spacers will hold it in place. And that makes a real nice watch with the Twist-A-Flex band on it. And I really like the fact that you can just quickly take this watch on and off. So if you want to give a new look and feel to your Casio watch, that'll do it. I like this watch because it's a sporty looking watch without being the size of a hockey puck, and really like that band on there. I'm not going to do a tutorial on how to cut these bands down. There are a number of those already on YouTube, and I'm not going to go over all the features that this watch has, because there are plenty of videos on that as well. This was just really a video to show you that if you want to put a Twist-A-Flex band on your Casio sports watch, you can do that. You're probably going to want to get some thread lock and put it on these little screws when you put them in there, because over time they will back out, and even with thread lock they can come out. So you want to just visually have a look at those screws every now and then and make sure they're not starting to back out on you. I had one back out on me and it just fell off and totally lost it, and I had to go buy another set of these little tube lugs. So you want to make sure you check that from time to time. The tube and screw lug adapters do not come with the little barrel spacers included with them. Those are ordered separately on another website. So I will have a link to that as well. I'm not affiliated with that site, but I will have a link so you can find those. I'll have some links in the video description that will take you to some of these products. Those will be affiliate links. I really appreciate you stopping by, and we will see you in the next video.